I've just been listening to a crazy amount of like old Joey stuff. I think my favorite is like Buyer's Remorse, Fool's Paradise with Dion. I think those two are like incredible together. That style like of Rip Squad, like Vinso type stuff. And sort of discovering that that's the style that I've always been like super passionate about, but I've never actually like really realized it. I'm just going to use Spire. I know that it's really good for these type of beats. I'm not sure like about any specific presets, so I'm just going to like dive in and try and find some stuff that I like, and we'll just take it from there. Sometimes that's all it needs is like just some halftime. Alright, that's a really good foundation. I just lifted the mix up about like 5% just to let a little bit of that top end come through. Fills it out a little bit more. It's kind of like adding a layer without us having to like go and create a whole new layer. Alright, we can't go past this synth. I love how simple music can actually be to get like the result that you're after. For the melody, like it just adds like a whole new section. All it is just rhythm and a slight variation in pitch.